Hello, hello, everybody. I am so happy to have you all here. Thank you so much for joining and welcome back to our series of webinar. Today, we are celebrating gratitude. We are celebrating the impact that you are having, you are making on so many young people in Haiti. As since 2024 comes to an end, it's a time, to reflect, to go back to, the challenges that we have faced, the difficulties we have met, and also the victories that we have accomplished together. Many of us might know by now that Haiti has had its share of difficulties, but through it all, one thing has remained constant. It's your unwavering support. Yes, thanks to your support, help is continuing to make a difference on youth lives in Haiti. Each of you here, our partners, sponsors, friends, staff members, you have played a pivotal role in empowering youth in Haiti, the brightest young minds of Haiti. You have given the chance to people like me and others that you are seeing today to pursue their dreams, to contribute to the future of this country. Today, we come together, as I said it before, to celebrate you, to celebrate the impact you have made possible. We are going to start by sharing a little bit about what HELP has been up to this year and a snapshot on the situation in Haiti. Feel free in the meantime to interact in the chat with us. Please share whatever feeling that you have while our students and sponsors are sharing a few words of gratitude. Please keep in mind that this webinar, it will be in 3 languages in order to reflect the diversity of our community. And it will be a great opportunity for you to practice your Creole, right? So, Daphne, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Edwin. And hello, everyone. I'm seeing many people in the chat, some of our sponsors, or staff, or friends, or graduate, or students. So, welcome, everyone. It's a great pleasure to have you all for this closing webinar. You're really closing the year, and it's a moment for us to celebrate. Amid everything that is happening, there are things to be celebrated. And we have the perfect people, the students that you've been supporting. That help is about for what the program exists and the mission that we are pursuing in Haiti. The students will be sharing the best part of this webinar, and you can see there are many of them waiting to share, which I hope we will do our best to manage the time, because we would like to give as many of them the opportunity to speak, and we will also have some of the sponsors to come in and to also share their feeling with us. So, but I know, when you guys have an opportunity like that, one thing that you're asking about, how are you guys doing? How is Haiti? Is it the way? Is it what we are seeing in the news? It is true. So, and I wanted to take just a few minutes really to update you on what's going on the ground right now. Unfortunately, as you may have seen in the news, there are not that many good news coming from the country itself. The highlight about Haiti in the news for the past couple of weeks is that because of the latest round of violence and attacks on international aircraft, the only international airport in Port-au-Prince, the capital in Haiti, is currently closed with a ban from the Federal Aviation Administration, preventing international aircraft to land in Haiti. So, and this band started in November 11, if I recall, and it's for a month. So, which means maybe next week by December 12, the ban from the FAA will be lift up from Haiti, but we also have seen some of these airlines providing their own schedule as for when they will be able to resume flights to Haiti. So we are keeping an eye on that and following this closely. Myself, currently, I'm again stranded in Miami because I was participating as an event for help in earlier in November. So we are waiting to see what the coming weeks will be. And at Help itself, the office, it's a day-to-day operation as we always do. So as I'm speaking right now, so the student that you are seeing, Edwin, they are currently in our office in Paco. And something very interesting that happened recently in October, we have moved our office, our operation at the University Quisqueya. So you guys heard us talk about University Quisqueya a lot. It's the biggest university, private university in Haiti. We have about 80% of our students that go to University Quisqueya. And in October, we have developed a partnership with Quisqueya to make sure that we have room inside the campus of Quisqueya where not only our staff can operate, but also our students, they can not only attend their classes if they are going at Quisqueya, but they can also attend help classes in classes allocated for that at the University Quisqueya. This is a very great news because now we are closer to the university, and myself, I'm already seeing more partnerships. We had an event, we're celebrating Creole Day in the past month, and all of the public at Quisqueya were invited to that. I've also seen, invitations coming from the faculties of Quisqueya also inviting us. So there are more collaboration, and I'm sure many more students will be able to take advantage of what we can offer. So that is something really interesting that has happened in the last quarter. So you probably also saw it in our newsletter. We had some financial hardships. There were the big shortfall for the past fiscal year, and we were not able to take a class of freshmen. And we were doing, everything that you could to take a class for in January. Unfortunately, because of the latest round of violence and uncertainties in Port-au-Prince, we don't think the moment is appropriate to take a new class of freshmen. The difficulty is, when the student they come in the program in the first year, there are a lot of adaptations to be made. They are coming from the countryside. They need to adapt to life in Port-au-Prince, living in a dormitory, something they probably have not done before, and, adapt to taking classes at a university. It's a lot. And for the past couple of weeks, some of our students, they were obligated to take classes online because they are trained, and particularly through our academic department, we have the computer class that allow them to have the basic skills that they need, to follow classes online and to use a computer. Many of the students that come in the first year at Help, some of them they've never touched a computer before. So just imagine, somebody not having touch, not having really had access to a laptop, and now this person has to take classes online, Google Classroom, Zoom. It's very, very difficult. And because we are not sure that we will be able to make sure that the student they can get those basic skills to allow them to take classes online, we don't think it is wise to welcome a new class right now in this current situation. So, but we're already ahead and thinking, and the leaders are considering maybe eventually we will see how the fundraising goes for this year. We will probably take a bigger class for in September 2025. We are considering that, but for now we are not able to take the new class of freshmen. But Our current students have amazing news. And like I said, you can see it's a big group. So I'm gonna stop here. And then if there's any, burning question that you guys have, because I wanted to keep these updates very brief, please feel free to put them in the chat and we can eventually address them later. But I don't want to take more time from the student to really have a chance to express their gratitude towards their partners, the supporters, and I already see many in the chat. So I'm gonna pass it back to Edwin to continue with the program. Thank you very much.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Daphne, for the update. And yes, it's clear that the work that Help is doing is not possible without the support of so many people here who are with us and those who cannot make it. Um, so we are going to pass it on to the students now. We are going to hear directly from those you guys are supporting. How we are going to proceed, we are going to go with each student, and after they have the chance to share a few words, we will go directly to their sponsor. Let me say that again. So we're going to proceed. Each student will have the chance to share a few words, and afterwards we are going to have their sponsor share a few words as well. Let me see in the attendees here.
I can
We are
see the
going to
first,
choose randomly.
yeah, the first person I can see, if we could look at by alphabetical order, I see Carl. So
Oh,
from the
okay.
benefit fund. So let me bring Carl. Carl doesn't even know that I'm gonna put him on the spotlight, but the student that they sponsor is also here. So
Yeah,
let
Stephanie.
me,
So Stephanie is going to
you
share
know,
a
it's
few
Imka.
words.
Imka.
Okay.
Carl is
Oh,
from
Carl.
the
Okay.
Journal of
Carl
Physics.
BFA. Okay. Great. Imka, you're on mute.
Yes, yes, I'm here. Do you hear me well?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Imka Dolgun. I am one of the first Beneficiary Scholarship recipients. I am very thankful for this special opportunity to express my deep gratitude to the Ben of Miss family and every single person who has supported this fund. And I also want to thank the Help organization for their financial support for my university studies. I remember when I was in my last year in secondary school, I often thought about my future after completing my high school. And I had heard about an organization that helps young people. And thanks to former students, we will visit the school to talk about it. That's how I joined HELP. And I had the opportunity to become part of this amazing family. This experience changed my life. Help provided me with invaluable support like housing, financial allowance, additional courses, and most importantly to me, counselors who guided me throughout my journey. Before help, I didn't know how I would pursue my studies. Today, thanks to many supporters, I am happy to announce that I have completed my studies in finance and I am now working as an administrative and finance assistant at a successful enterprise corporation. Two careers that help
It's coding a little bit. Imka, can you hear us?
it
Imka, can you hear
She's
us?
at her office right now. Maybe the
Uh-huh.
internet, let me.
So I tried to turn off her camera to see if the sounds would be better for her. Imka, can you hear us?
um,
Okay, it looks like a connection gets unstable, but I think the message Imka, if you're here, as you know, tell us anytime if you're back. But Imka was announcing that she already completed her studies, and then she's working as an administrative and finance assistant at Accesso Peanut Enterprise. I believe she started in August. You know, she just finished and then she already found jobs. So, Carl, I'm so happy that you are here witnessing Imka, who was part of the first cohort, you know, of students that you guys supported. And can you guys imagine, like, she's already graduating? Like, when did that happen? So, Carl, I'll let you say a few words. And I also see Marie's in the
Hello. Seems like
Yeah,
Daphne is cutting as well. Carl, were you able to hear what
of
Daphne
course.
said?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
great.
I'm just so emotional at this moment. We started the BFA fund in honor of my father, and I think about right now how he would feel about this moment. That Imka started as an 18-year-old who was just starting college and just getting an opportunity, and to hear that she's graduating, and not just that, that she's going to work to help others and help grow her community and have an impact for working people, for farmers, for families in Haiti. And that's the dream, really, of everything, all the effort that we put together. And it's only possible through her strength and her drive. And it's a testament to everything that help does, right? Bringing together this community of, on one side, these talented students who want to make a change and have the drive to go after it and achieve those dreams, and on our side, the community of supporters who are there with you, marching arm in arm. And it's just such a special moment to see. And I'm sure we'll have many more moments like this, but this is our first one. And I'm just so proud. Congratulations, Imka.
Thank you. And thanks to you, Carl. Thanks to you. Thanks to Erica. Thanks to Marise that I see in the chat. And then all the cousins, the uncles, the aunts that I've met through the process. And of course, all the friends as well who have supported this fund. So thank you very, very, very much. In short, so we're going to plan something else together, Carl, but we have so many other sponsors we want to celebrate, so we were happy that you were able to make it with us today. Awesome. Okay, next. Maybe it's good to have Sibyl because she joined very early.
Okay, so let's hear Stephanie. No, no, no. Sibyl is coming for. Let's hear Andy Exantus. Hello.
Hello. Bonsoir à tous. Je réponds au nom de Enze Xantus, étudiant en quatrième année de génie industriel à l'Université Quisqueya. Je viens de Port-au-Prince. Je tiens tout d'abord à exprimer ma profonde gratitude à l'administration de EAL qui, malgré la crise sécuritaire qui frappe notre pays, vous donnez corps et âme pour former des jeunes leaders comme moi. Votre engagement envers l'éducation est un acte de courage et de foi en un avenir meilleur pour Haïti. Je souhaite également féliciter et remercier chaleureusement notre, comme il faut, notre précieux sponsor. Au nom de tous les étudiants que vous soutenez, je tiens à vous témoigner notre reconnaissance. Comme toute entreprise évoluant en Haïti, vous n'êtes pas épargné par les impacts de la crise, mais vous continuez à croire en l'éducation. Vous êtes une source d'inspiration et un modèle. Grâce à votre soutien, nous avons la conviction que l'éducation reste la voie essentielle vers le changement durable que nous souhaitons tous pour notre cher Haïti. À tous nos sponsors, ne perdez pas espoir. Votre investissement aujourd'hui portera des fruits demain. Encore une fois, merci comme il faut pour votre engagement, votre foi en nous et votre dévouement. Ensemble, construisons l'avenir que nous méritons.
Awesome, good. And we have Sibyl. You are muted, Sibyl.
Ah, here it is.
Yes, you got it.
C'est une piège. Well, hi Edwin, hi Daphne,
Hi.
um, hi Angie. I'm happy to be part of this webinar again. I don't know if you all know, so I'm Sibyl and I'm representing Comme il faut. And as I mentioned many times, the company, so I'll speak on behalf of Comme il faut, the company is very happy and proud to be part of that help family. We all know that the situation was or is still extremely difficult. And despite all, we managed, or the company managed to continue the sponsorship. And this year, again, we sponsored 3 students, and we're very happy to have been able to do that despite all. And when we look at the achievements of the students, and again, because it's not an easy situation, doing online, going to school, sometimes you have to stay home. And despite all, they are really achieving like great results. And we could not be more than happy to continue our support. And I would encourage anybody who can to join and continue supporting this organization. And I think you know it all, Daphne, Edwin, and all my messages that you guys are doing an amazing job. And I hope that the institution or the organization can continue doing everything that you guys are doing. So again, good job. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Sibyl,
so
and
much,
thank you for
Sibyl.
joining us. Awesome. Okay, who are you
We have Rick. We have
comme
Rick.
piège?
Nou gen Pasteur Rick. Nou gen Pasteur Rick la ansama avek nou.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so we're gonna bring Stephanie then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna bring Rick.
Stephanie, over to you now.
Yes, I'm there. Okay, hello everyone. Today's theme is gratitude, and I want to express how grateful
Do you
I
know if
am.
Rick is able to hear
I
us?
don't know.
Yes, I can hear her.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead, Steph.
Okay, so I said that today's theme is gratitude, and I want to express how grateful I am to have had access to all the privileges that help has granted to me for 4 years now. My name is Stephanie Fanor. I'm from Miragwan in NIP in the south part of the country. I am a senior student in law at Kiskeya University and a help scholar. I am also a student ambassador and the former president of the student committee at HELP. During the past 4 years, my studies have been entirely supported by Rick and Ariette Barger through Asian Timon Foundation, and this is something that I'm really grateful for. When I found that I was accepted at HELP in 2021, I thought that was a sign from the universe so I can realize my dream to study law. And I can say that I want to say thank you to HELP and to Rick and Ariette Barger through HTF. Now I am able to I'm on my way to complete my major in law and to serve my country and my community. And during those years, I've been able to develop numerous skills such as communication and leadership skills. But most importantly, I've been able to connect with other brilliant minds and to develop a vast network throughout the program. And I talk with my mom every day. And despite the ongoing situation of the country, she always tells me how proud she is of me. And also, I have received many returns from other young people, especially young women like me, or they tell me, or I inspire them. And this is something that brings me a sense of accomplishment and self-satisfaction. And I strongly believe that HELP and HTF have had. Finally, I want to say that I hope for the future. I believe in resilience, chaos. I believe in change. that's what I'm fighting for. Like me, and I want to say thank
You're cutting a
you.
little bit.
The camera is not still sharing. So can I?
I think it's the internet connection is a little bit unstable due to the weather.
Do you still hear me? Maybe those
Yes, we can hear you
Okay,
better. Yeah. Go ahead.
maybe those as close my camera.
Yes, yes, so that the audio can be better.
Okay. Yes, I want to say that I want to thank Rick and Elliot Burger to have contributed in the professional that I am today. And and I want to say to them that their support means a lot to me, and I'm looking forward to giving back what I receive by putting my competencies in service of my country and my community. And I would be so grateful if you can share those thankful words to the whole HCF community, and not just from me, but also from all the students that they support. So thank you very, very much.
Awesome. Great. You muted Rick.
You can't mute a pastor. My goodness. So, nous comptons pour nous.
Nous même
Bravo,
tout.
bravo tout le monde.
Oh,
merci un pile.
Merci.
And nous priez toujours pour
merci.
nous.
Merci
Thank
Um,
un
you so
pile,
much.
Eric.
and it is very, Carl talked about being emotional. We've been at this a long time. Carl's dad, Bernard, meant a lot to me. Uh, I'm proud that there's a scholarship program that bears his name. And Carl is a wonderful steward of that and a great colleague on the help board. But we're right now, I just want to say how proud we are of Stephanie. And you are a rock star. And I want to know when you are going to run for president of Haiti.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep working hard and inspiring other young people.
I will. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming and for spending time with us.
Yeah, yeah.
Our
So,
pleasure.
and HTF, has been at this since help was put together with baling wire. So we are, I don't know, I think we got 14 students right now, and we'll figure it out in September of next year how many more we can support. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
And then
Thanks
also,
a lot.
we were happy that HGF decided to celebrate you to another name scholarship, on the Rick Burgers family. That was a very good highlight also from this year. So we are very grateful to for that, and we're going to work together to assign you another work star. This we promise,
Okay.
Rick.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. It's just our inspiration to be able to see you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Likewise. Thank you so much.
Okay, we have Virlinda who is here with us representing the Choремist. For those of you, hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
For those of you who don't know, Chorim is a program at Help where after a graduate, if you're graduate after graduating Help, when you're working, you are giving back what you've been given for free. We have a community, the whole community, and they are already, well, because I'm part of it too. I'm a graduate of the program. We are already supporting around 6 students or more. We have one already who've graduated already, and we have one with us today as a student, a current student,
Lynn.
Yuvlin, who is going to share a few words. And we have Violanda, who is representing the Chorimist community.
Evelyn, we are.
Yuvlin,
Evelyn is here.
Yes,
Yes,
she
she
is.
is.
Okay, yeah, you can start. I'm gonna come and say Evelyn.
Ok. Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Mylène Alcé, étudiante en génie industriel, je viens du Cap Haïtien. Mes chers donateurs chorémistes, comme le disait Jean-Baptiste Massieu, la gratitude est la mémoire du cœur. C'est donc avec une reconnaissance profonde que j'adresse mes remerciements pour le soutien pour mes études. Grâce à votre générosité, j'ai eu l'opportunité d'intégrer l'université Quisqueya où j'étudie le génie industriel et je suis en quatrième année. Je suis profondément touchée par votre engagement, votre générosité à aider les étudiants comme moi à réaliser leurs rêves, tout comme vous avez été aidés dans le passé. Je m'engage à tirer pleinement de cette chance unique pour exceller dans mes études et atteindre mes objectifs. Votre soutien m'inspire à exceller dans mes études et à travailler avec détermination chaque jour. J'espère un jour pouvoir rendre l'appareil et aider d'autres étudiants à atteindre leurs objectifs. Moi, connais li pas facile, mais nous toujours kembe là. Je nous toujours dit nan help, korim, map kouri. Mille merci.
Awesome. You know, for people who doesn't know this program that Edwin introduced, Koreem, it's the alumni contribution model where students, when they are entering the program, they commit to give a percentage. Now it's 10% of their revenues over 7, 8 years. And then to date, this fund coming from the previous, students like Edwin, and then we also have Verlanda with us, and I'm seeing many people in the chat, like Gisli, Jean-Charles, Isabelle. I'm also seeing Winifred. Like all these people are supported. Now they were students, and now they are donors, and then
And
we also
Imka now. And
Imka,
Imka now.
Imka, and so many. I probably not know all the names right now. And then please forgive me if I didn't mention your name. But all these people are now donors and are contributing to people like Yuvlin, who is now supported by the Korean contribution. And then to date, I think close to 350,000 US dollars. 350, close to 350,000 UF dollars that has been collected through this alumni contribution model that we call Korem. So we want to make sure that we shout out all of our Koremis in the chat, and anyone who will be seeing this video to thank them, because it's a sacrifice, really, with everything that is happening in the country, giving 10% of your revenue. So it's something really significant, and we greatly appreciate the support. And now I'm going to pass it on to Verlanda, who is representing the Koremis, to say a few words after Evelyn has spoken.
Hello, everybody. And I'm so happy to be there. Yeah, and that's a huge responsibility to talk in the name of all the Choremis. But let's say that I am so honored, and I think that I am going to do what I can to represent all the Choremis. And yeah, humbly, I can say that it is a must for us, the quorum is to continue to contribute for education. And as we participate in the continued of that program in Haiti, this is a sense of satisfaction that we feel because um, we've been we've been using that possibility through our studies, and having able to be one of the beneficiaries during 4 years. And so all of the opportunities that we had, we couldn't do anything else than contributing back. And it is so important for me. It is a must for me. I've been doing it since I start working, and that's a huge pleasure for me to continue to do so, so that help can help more students and contribute to change the life of many other students here in Haiti. And I'm so grateful for help. And this is something that I used to say, without help, I don't know how my life would have been. Because yeah, I know that I've been a good student. Yeah, I know that I had all of the opportunities by my side, but being in the mold of help shaped my life. And I can say that here right now, I am that amazing professional. I'm that strong young professional working in the field of the market force here in Haiti. And being that competitive, this is really thanks to help. And this is my way to give back to what help has been doing in my life and continue to do in the life of other choreographers. And I'm so happy to hear from one of the students and right now. And Evelyn, you from Cafe Asian, and I'm right now here in Cafe Asian. And I'm so happy that other students from my hometown can benefit from that program. And this is the reason why I really need to continue to do so. And I invite all of the other choreographers to back up help that way, so that we can continue to have other students benefiting from that opportunity here in Haiti. Thank you so much for having me. And yeah, you can count on me. Yes, it's gonna be like for 1 or 2 years again, but I'll be still there to help in other activities or any other point that I can participate, so that everything can go, and so that we can work, so that we can help staying sustainable here in Haiti. Yeah, thank you for having me. And yeah, Kore map Koreo.
Kore back Koreo. Support me and I'll support you. So thank you so much, guys. Edwin, we're moving on.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Yolanda. And now, since I'm seeing some of the staff members here, let's pass it on to um, our student who are representing the whole students, the whole community of students. Because without, as we used to say it, without the partners, the sponsors, help would not have been possible. But without the staff members who are playing a pivotal role in empowering those young minds in the program. So we are passing it on to Jenny, no, no, Nathanael Meritus, who is representing the community to thank the staff members. Nata?
Ok, je suis là. Ok, je suis là. Bonjour tout le monde. Moi, c'est Nathanael Meritus. Moi, sorti Delma. Moi, a étudié gestion des PME dans l'Université Kiskia. Malgré moi, j'ai joué support pour un parti dans l'étude secondaire, mais il était un petit genre difficile pour moi de continuer avec études. L'avenir pas être certain pour moi. C'est pour te soutenir besoin famille. Et il était difficile pour moi d'imaginer moi continuer avec études. Et là, moi, j'étais parler de programme help là. Moi, j'ai fait tout ça qui était possible pour moi entrer. Et oui, moi, j'ai arrivé à entrer dans le programme là. Et quand moi, dans la 4e année, j'ai étudié gestion des PME. Malgré toute volonté et help est capable de gagner, moi, arrivé ouais que ça va jamais possible sans travail, même staff. Il va jamais possible sans, il va jamais fonctionner sans travail inestimable et exceptionnel employé. Et moi, remarqué, nous mettons en pile courage, nous mettons cœur dans le travail que nous avons fait. Et c'est ça qui est bien institution nous en vie. Pour nous, moi, presque pareil pour moi entrer dans le marché du travail là. Et moi, décidé de travailler pour un jour, moi, capable de remettre à la communauté moyen ça, moi, te joindre, et puis soutenir l'autre jeunes qui sont en route pour réaliser rêve. Merci à staff là parce que nous prenons moins, nous prenons jeunesse Haïti. Merci parce que nous prenons mission help là, et merci parce que nous prenons moins. Merci.
Merci Ampil. Thank you so much, Nathanael, who was thanking the staff members for contributing in her development and also the development of other students as well. Um, I don't know if one of you would want to say a few words, would want to share a few words. One of the staff members. Oh, Mr. Connor. Okay, go ahead, Connor. Let me allow you to talk, okay?
Yep. Sorry. Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining us. So, yeah, I just wanted to say that one of the measures of help success is the number of institutions in Haiti that have hired more than one help employee and continue to hire help employees. And Imka, who's at Accesso, is currently, as far as I know, one of the at least 6 or 7 help graduates employed at Accesso. It's a very successful agribusiness company. And Barbancourt employs 6, 7, 8, Soja Bank. So many of Haiti's most reputable and successful companies have several help graduates as employees. But at Help, we are lucky to have the most help graduates as employees. And the last time I checked, we had 14 help graduates working for us. So more than any other company, and all through a competitive, transparent, and open hiring process, as all of the employees will can attest to. And so it's really, I think, a measure of our success, our collectivist success, the success of donors, of staff, students, and supporters, that we can take students who have no opportunity and in a few short years transform them to graduates that everybody that can provide immediate value to Haiti's most reputable and some of Haiti's largest corporations, including Help. So we know we have graduates, we have scores of graduates who are contributing financially to Help, and we also have 15 graduates who are working for Help, and we're able to use the resources of the graduates to our immediate benefit and to the immediate benefit of the Haitian economy. So a real testament to the great work of the students and the high value of the alumni, and of course to everybody's contributions that make it happen. So thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much, Connor, for your word. And then thank you for all the staff that I'm seeing in the chat. So Smeon, Suze, and Nancy, Mike, Megan, Anasta. So thank you. Thanks to all of you for the hard work that you are doing every day under very challenging circumstances. Nancy, Gisli, so many of them, they also trained us for this. Daphne Katuren, that I'm also seeing, and everyone, thank you for the hard work that you are doing every day. Would have not been possible without you. And I know, like, we always have to plan. Usually, when you do something, you have a plan. But to do the work in Haiti, we need many plans, and that means extra hours, extra work to make sure that we do the usual. So it's greatly appreciated the work that you are doing. And again, please, Pafashe Avem, if I didn't say your name. So there are many, many names on the chat, and I'm just really trying to mention some of them. And Ian, oh, from our team. Oh, Ian, thank you. Ian helped us so much with organizing the webinar and all the messages. So the department team, big shout out. And Isaac that I'm seeing in the screen right now. Edwin and everybody, everything that you are doing, every second, every minute, every email that you are sending, it matters. It really does. So thank you very, very much.
Thanks to you as well, Daphne, for your amazing work.
Thank you.
Okay, so should we go to BRH right now or
Yes, I think so. We can go to
okay?
Berash, and then they told me that they were joining us soon.
Yeah, Maître Perrin is here.
Oh,
Perfect.
she's here.
Maître Perrin est
Oh,
là.
nice.
Okay,
Okay.
parfait. Donc, Marcus, à toi maintenant.
Merci beaucoup. Bonjour à tous. Je suis Alcé Marcus, étudiant en troisième année de communication sociale à la Faculté des Lettres et des Sciences humaines de l'Université Notre-Dame d'Haïti. Je suis originaire des Gonaïves, j'ai 21 ans. Dans le cadre de cet événement solennel, organisé par HELP, visant à rendre hommage et à exprimer notre profonde gratitude envers nos généreux donateurs, je souhaite exprimer ma plus profonde reconnaissance à la Banque de la République d'Haïti, BRH, pour son soutien inestimable à travers le financement de ma bourse d'études à HELP, accordée dans le cadre de leur programme en faveur des étudiants issus des villes de province. Cette opportunité est bien plus qu'un simple financement. Elle représente pour moi une passerelle vers la réalisation de mes rêves et de mes aspirations. Ce soutien me permet de bénéficier d'une éducation de qualité, une chance que bien des jeunes vivant en province n'ont pas souvent la possibilité d'obtenir faute de ressources. De plus, je tiens à souligner que ce programme a également permis à ma famille de connaître un progrès significatif en m'offrant, en tant que premier fils de ma mère, l'opportunité de poursuivre mes études dans une université privée, une chance qu'elle n'aurait pas pu me permettre en raison de ses moyens économiques limités. Vous avez donc non seulement changé ma vie, mais aussi celle de ma famille. Je suis déterminé à tirer le meilleur parti de cette opportunité, à travailler avec ardeur et à contribuer à mon tour développement de mon pays. Ce soutien financier n'est pas seulement un investissement dans mon avenir, mais également dans celui de toute une communauté. Je vous remercie encore une fois et profite de l'occasion pour demander à Mme Perrin de passer mes mots de gratitude au nom des 9 étudiants supportés par la BRH, au gouverneur de la Banque centrale, ainsi qu'au staff administratif qui participe activement à ce partenariat. Avec toute ma gratitude.
Awesome. Thank you. Merci, merci beaucoup, AC. Et nous avons avec nous Maître Lynn Soliman Perrin. I don't know, Maître Perrin, est-ce que tu voudrais dire un petit mot? Si oui, il faudrait unmute.
Bonjour, bonjour à tous. Et ça fait vraiment plaisir de rejoindre ce panel. Qui, au nom de la BRA, je félicite les étudiants de HELP pour leur assiduité parce que nous, à l'Institut, nous visons l'excellence et ils ont bien compris euh, ce, cette, alors, cet objectif que nous voulons tous atteindre, donc qui est de réussir en tout temps et en matière de formation, d'éducation. Donc, je laisse le soin aux autres d'intervenir et comme ça, à la toute fin, si j'ai un mot additionnel, je pourrais l'apporter. Attention, ouais, c'est ça.
D'accord, merci Madame Perrin. Alors aujourd'hui, nous avons organisé le webinaire pour plusieurs partenaires et Marcus a été sélectionné pour représenter le groupe des étudiants de la BRH. Donc, merci encore d'avoir pris le temps de passer nous voir et de partager quelques mots avec nous. Alors, nous devrions dire à tout le monde ici, la BRH, c'est vraiment un partenaire majeur de HELP. Et en fait, c'est notre plus grand partenaire en Haïti et quelque chose d'important dans le cadre de ce partenariat, c'est le fait que ils sont vraiment, ils mettent l'accent sur les étudiants qui proviennent des villes de province. Donc, vous savez que c'est pas toujours facile pour les étudiants des villes de province de trouver des opportunités pareilles. Ils sont souvent mis à l'école. Donc, ils ont vraiment mis l'accent sur cet aspect-là pour permettre à des gens qui viennent de différentes parties du pays de venir et profiter de cette opportunité. Donc, nous sommes vraiment reconnaissants envers la BRH et toute l'équipe administrative avec laquelle nous collaborons tous les jours. Et vraiment, c'est un plaisir de collaborer avec vous et merci encore pour votre support inconditionnel. For our friends in English, so BRH is our biggest supporter in Haiti, and they support students from the countryside. As you know, the few opportunities that exist, they are usually concentrated in Port-au-Prince, and not many are given to people from the countryside. But the focus of the partnership with BRH is really to support students from the countryside, and they are currently supporting 9 students fully throughout the program until graduation. So this is a great partnership that we are very proud of, and we thank them for their collaboration. Merci encore, Madame Maître Perrin. Thank you very much.
C'est un
OK.
plaisir. Donc, je devrais dire
Ça coupe un peu. Il semble que la connexion n'est pas optimale. Donc, on a entendu les mots de remerciement. Maître Perrin, merci encore pour votre participation aujourd'hui et pour la collaboration avec Help. OK. Edwin? You're muted, Edwin.
Okay, great. It was freezing. Perfect. So let's see who we have in the chat right now. Then I guess we should go straight to Creole Essence.
Okay.
Castra for Creole Essence. Over to you. You can start now. Ou ka commencer, Castra.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Moi, c'est Castranti Joseph. Moi, sorti dans le nord-est pays d'Haïti, dans la commune Wanamet. Moi, c'est étudiant en agronomie dans la 3e année dans l'université Kiskia. Nous disons souvent, gratitude, lui permet de gagner la peine au présent. C'est ça que fait que je dis à ma utiliser gratitude ça pour me remercier en licence pour ça réaliser dans la vie. Moi, je veux exprimer gratitude moi envers tout le monde qui contribue dans l'existence parce que c'est mon ça qui fait journée aujourd'hui en pile nous déjà réussi nous et a pas service dans le pays déjà. Moi, je veux dire un merci spécial avec Créole Licence pour contribution yo pour avancement. Moi, quand dans une plus grande université qui existe dans le pays, yon nan bagay ki te kon stresse man pil, lem de l'école, c'est dans l'époque que m'te dans NS4, de toujours qu'on a dit après S4 qui ça m'bral fait, parce que m'pas trop en réalité que ça parent d'avoir le fait, peut-être qu'à voir dans l'université. Mais avec Créole Licence qui choisit investir dans moi, je dis à m'cap dans yon nan plus pour université dans le pays, et moi dans 3e année, m'a étudié agronomie qui m'te toujours rêvé. Moi, c'est première petite dans une famille. yo te toujou fè effort pou yo voye m l'ekol, pou yo bom tout sa ke m te kapab bezwen. E m te senti sa pral difisil pou yo apre sa, pou yo te kapab jwen opotunite pou yo te voye m l'ekol. Même si m te ka toujou al kouz nan universite l'Etat, même senti ke l tap difisil pou yo, pou yo te kapab avèk tout exijans sa de kamande. Même senti vinim nan help, se yon wout li kreye pou mwen. Mwen pou rive nan sa ke m te objektif ke m te fikse, a même senti m sou wout la. E m senti ke par m komanse fye de mwen a kouz de grâce a sa ke m gen tan realize deja. Mwen ka di wou ki trase pou mwen, se paske Creole Essence te chwazi investi nan mwen. Yon nan bakay mwen remen, se paske lem apren moun kap finanse bous etit mwen, se nan prodit Creole ke di chwazi investi. Yon nan objektif ke m te toujou gen lem tap chwazi agronomi, se paske m te toujou we nan son lakay mwen, paske m soti nan yon seksyon komunal, kote ke param se agrikelti ke yo fe, mwen ke moun donatem nan se nan prodit Creole investi, mwen yon objektif ke m te toujou gen, se te fè transformasyon, surtout avèk transformasyon mango. Donc, m zanse ke vreman ke m nan pou. Param te toujou fè jardin, avèk jardin ke li elve nou, padan tout an sa, m se yon fami ki gen 3 pitit, ke m se premye pitit la dan. Donc, m ka di, sa vreman te fè m kontan. Mwen vle di Creole Essence merci. E merci a tout kliyan Essence Creole yo tou, parce yo mèm ki fè ke Creole Essence kapab eksiste jounen jodi a. Se yo mèm ki chwazi achete produit Creole Essence yo, ki fè jounen jodi a Creole Essence kapab jouen pou l kapab finanse etude mwen. Mwen di Creole Essence kontine fè travay la, parce gen pil lot jen ki plen potansyel nan peyi ya, ki bezwen yon moun pou ede yo sou route la. Mwen bagye mou pou m'eksprime m, parce travay nou fè pou mwen la pa piti. Et c'est pas seulement moi-même qui joue le travail là. Parce que notre année, il a fait 2 projets, notre famille, que ça m'a permis de faire avec tout le monde, surtout parce que ça a dominé. Donc, ça, c'est que la personne a été le premier travail à continuer. Et on remercie à Essence Créole.
Merci un pile. Thank you so much. Creole Essence, thank you so much. So now, as we see, it's 1 p.m., so we are closing right now. Unfortunately, we won't be able to pass the other people, the other students. Sorry, guys, but we will stay in touch and make sure that we receive your gratitude words. So now, as we are closing, we want to say a big thank you to everyone who have joined, who have participated, all of you staff members, our sponsors, partners, and friends. Thank you so much, Koremist. And now we know that it's not easy. The situation is not easy, but you've always been here with us. You've backed us, and we know that you are continuing to support us through this mission, in this mission. Thank you so much. Now we wish you a great rest of your day. Let's stay in touch. Have a great end of the year. Celebrate gratitude. See you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Edwin, and thank you everyone for joining us. And thank you, the students, for your participation. It was very inspiring. Bye. Ay, tout le monde. Wow, bisous, bisous.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.